Welcome to our Good, Better and Best series. Today we're going to learn about the differences between our Formulate Fabric back walls and help you figure out which one is right for you. Comprised of Essential and Lite, Master and Designer, these options provide a sophisticated display for every budget. First up is our economy line, the Essential and Lite. Boasting a simple aluminum tube frame that connects with bungee cords, the Essential displays are finished with a pillowcase fabric graphic that slips right over the frame, offering a low-cost solution without forfeiting quality. Available in 8-foot and 10-foot inline options, as well as straight or curved, Essential is an economical way to quickly enhance your display solutions. The Lite series is just as simple and sets up in under 5 minutes. It contains a lightweight aluminum frame that assembles with push-button connectors and contains a stretch-fit fabric graphic that goes over the corner of the frame, establishing an impressive back wall with minimal effort. Available in a simple 8x10 size option with the choice of portrait or landscape, this display solution is perfect for when you need an elegant display fast. Next is the mid-range option, our Master series. Master picks up where the Essential left off. Utilizing a similar aluminum frame and pillowcase fabric graphics, these displays are available in a plethora of sizes and styles, including straight, vertical curved, horizontal curved, and serpentine curved. The advantage of the Master series is the array of display accents available, from display lighting and Master backwall pieces to counters, kiosks and more. Accent your Formulate Master to create an exhibit and display that is truly unique and professional. Available in 8, 10 and 20 foot width, the Master will take your display needs and turn them into something bold and unique. Finally, we have our premium line of Formulate displays, the Designer series. Tailing in as the higher end of display solutions, the Formulate Designer series line features unique angles, curves and stylistic elements that make them unique and stand out as sophisticated and modern exhibit solutions. Similar to the previous lines, these designs couple lightweight aluminum tube frames with pillowcase graphics and will introduce a push-fit silicon edge graphic attachment as well that ensures a more elegant appearance. Available in 10, 20 and 30 foot options, featuring straight, vertical curves, horizontal curves and serpentine curves, these displays come ready for even more accent pieces, such as fabric canopies, 3D graphic accents and much more. Adding dimension and an opportunity for multimedia messaging, the Formulate Designer series is the top choice for the maximum amount of creativity and professionalism for your next display solution. The Formulate series, no matter your budget, is an effective and simple way to enhance your display to the next level. To learn more about these displays and figure out which model is right for you, visit us online at www.orbus.com or contact one of our sales representatives today.